Hello, I am on a 2004 Sea Ray 220 SunDeck. This is a freshwater boat, one owner boat, always been on Lake Hopatcong. It has a 260 horsepower V8 engine with an alpha drive. This boat has been maintained meticulously, kept clean. It does have a head on the port side helm, Clarion stereo system, approximately 350 hours on the engine. On this particular boat, we have a very large swim platform with a concealed boarding ladder. Of course, a ski bar on the back. We have a rear transom shower, transom door as well, L-shaped seating, a bimini top. There's storage to the left, to the starboard side. We also have another pull-out freshwater shower right here. As we move forward, we have dual Helm seats with flip-up bolsters. Both suites obviously swivel. Full instrumentation, Clarion sound system as I mentioned earlier. Tilt steering wheel. Port side head as well. Very large head for a 22-foot boat. Up here on the dashboard on the helm, we have an electronics package down the bottom. All of our switches are integrated into one panel. We have our water temperature, oil pressure, smart craft gauges, speedometer, trim gauge, and of course our fuel gauge. I mentioned earlier the Clarion stereo system. Compass up top. Moving forward, our bow door also hides a very large storage area. There's a carry-off cooler that is in the boat. The bow and stern table actually has storage inside of this compartment. Moving forward, we have a ski locker under my feet, storage underneath every seat, another freshwater washdown up front here, forward speakers, and anchor with a bow ladder storage all the way up front. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong, and I'm David Lewis. Thank you.